City's Choice Comfort Air. Are you looking to heat up or cool down your home with a professional system set up by someone with diverse experience and unwavering expertise? You've come to the right place. Our HVAC services and installations are carried out with the utmost care and precision, no matter what your home is calling for. Want to cool down with some air conditioning? Turn up the heat with a comprehensive heating system? Sweat it out with a boiler? Whatever your HVAC requirements, we've got you and your house covered with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We never hesitate to go the extra mile for our customers. You see, we genuinely care about making sure you've got only the best of the best, which is why our talented team of HVAC pros will set you up using the best tools, techniques, and expertise to get the job done right. There's no time to lose. Surrender to the heat of the moment and get in touch with us today for the expert HVAC services you seek. Call 647-334-9324. Visit citieschoice.ca.